Good morning, everyone. In Nursing Foundation, Unit 9, Machinery Equipment and Linen. Introduction of Equipments. Patient care equipment is defined as powered equipment intended for use in treatment, diagnosis, monitoring, and life sustaining or resuscitating functions. The main examples are infusion devices, patient imaging equipment, and diagnostic laboratory equipment, defibrillators, equipment beds, and these are the main examples of the equipments. And it is essential and basic tools for hospital services used on an emergency or everyday basis for patient care. And these materials and equipments handling a very important responsibility of a nurse to working in hospital. There are some types of equipments are there. Self-care equipments means patient's daily life, and these equipments are used for patient's daily life. And electronic equipments, examples are ECG monitor and ventilator, defibrillator, and these are all the electronic equipments. Diagnostic equipment means tools used to test, the tools which are useful for laboratory test, that is known as diagnostic equipments. Surgical equipments are these are the stainless steel tools and which is useful in OT, that means operation theatre. Acute care equipments, in acute care equipments dressing materials and these all comes under acute care equipments. Storage and transport equipments. And in machineries and equipments there are some categories, and these are categorized into two: disposable and reusable. What is disposable? Disposable equipments are items used only once. It should not be used to another patient, only it used to only one, and it discarded after use. New item for each patient. What are the examples for disposable equipments? Gloves, needles, and infusion sets, cotton balls, and next gauze pieces and cotton. These are all the example for disposable equipments. These are only used in once. Reusable equipments are very long time used. These are cleaned, disinfected, and sterilized before and after use. More care should be given to reusable items than disposable items because it should be reused to one patient to another patient. Before use it to anyone, it should be cleaned, disinfected, and sterilized. If new device patient use, it should be cleaning and after disinfection or sterilization. There are two sterilization methods are there. What are they? In microbiology, you all read in microbiology. What are two methods of sterilization? Hot air oven and autoclave. And after disinfection or sterilization, packaging, and next sterilization, and next sterile storage, and after patient use. After patient use, discarded the device. Okay. And after cleaning, we must the storage, we keep in storage. In equipments, we see firstly care of linen. Linen management plays a great role in patient satisfaction. It reduces infection rate and operation cost, plays an important role in physician satisfaction. Linen is a fabric made from fibers. It includes includes in linens? Clothes, sheets, etc. In hospital setting, linens are used for many purposes such as covering the bed and articles and etc. There are some types of linens are there. What are they? Clean linen, contaminated linen, soiled linen. In clean linen, clean fresh linen. Contaminated linen means which is useful for patient. Soil linen, which is exposed to blood and body fluids, that is soil linen. Clean linen, fresh linen. Clean linen means it should not be used to anyone, it should be fresh. And contaminated linen means which is used for other patient. And soil linen, linen which is exposed to blood and body fluids. Linens used in hospital setup. What are the linens which is used in hospital setup are bed sheets, blankets, curtains, cloth covers. In under cloth covers, pillows, mattress, hot water bottle, air cushion, inhaler cover, etc. These all are under cloth covers. And next, towels, wrappers for trays, dressing set, etc. Patient's clothes, gowns, shirts, staff clothes, understaff clothes, mask, cap, gown, OT dress, etc. These are all under linens. How to care linen? Care of linen is very important as it is an expensive item in the running of a hospital. If the hospital does not have proper supply chain of linen, then this may lead to the delay in OT and ICU procedures, patient care services, delay in CSST operations, and ultimately the entire hospital operations suffer. Storage of linen leaves patients dissatisfied. Sometimes even surgeries get cancelled due to shortage of operation theatre linen. So we must alert during to clean to proper cleaning of linen and care of linen to avoid the delay in OT and ICU procedures. General instructions to avoid spoiling and wastage of linen. Follow hospital policy for maintenance of linen. Store the clean linen in cupboard, and the nurse should maintain stock register, and the nurse should follow these general instructions to avoid spoiling and wastage of linen. Cupboard will be locked when not in use, and care should be taken to avoid linen being taken home by the clients on their discharge. Stock should be checked at regularly. Torn linen should not be used on the bed but sent for mending. Soil linen should not be placed on the floor. Regularly, the dirty linen should be sent them to the laundry for washing and ironing. These are all the general instructions to avoid spoiling and wastage of linen. Follow hospital policy. Store clean linen in cupboard and lock the cupboard when not in use. And the care should be taken to avoid linen if the clients they're in discharge may be being taken home by the client, so we must take care of that. Stock should be checked at regular intervals. Soil linen should not be placed on the floor. This is linen laundry. Next one, this is linen services. How to remove the stains? For medical stain, that means any blood pour in your apron in clinicals, we must apply spirit to remove that stain. Any rust mark means apply salt and lemon juice. Tea, coffee, these stains should be removed by pour milk and wash. Food stains, apply salt and pour hot water. If ink stain will be there, dip in cool water, sprinkle salt and lemon, drains up. And iodine, dip in rice water. If blood stain, fresh, soak in cold water. Old, soak in H2O2, hydrogen peroxide. We must clean with the hydrogen peroxide. And next one, disinfection of contaminated or soil linen. Always use laundry box or hamper trolley for collecting contaminated linen. It should not be put on the floor because it will cause more contamination. Dip the linen in a bucket and pour 0.5% of solution of chlorine. For 10 minutes, we must soak that linen in chlorine solution and rinse it in water and get dry in sun. Send for and after washing, we must that linen send for autoclaving. That means sterilization. After disinfecting the linen, store them in appropriate cupboards. Autoclave. What is the purpose of autoclave? It is used to kill the or destroy microorganisms or killing the germs. Disinfectants used for cleaning. What are the disinfectants which are useful for cleaning the linen? Sodium hypochlorite solution 0.5%. Duration will be 5 minutes. 5 minutes will soak the linen in sodium hypochlorite solution. It should be take 0.5%. And glutaraldehyde 2%. Duration 20 to 30 minutes. For sterilization, glutaraldehyde 2%. Duration 10 hours. This is the disinfectants. How to use disinfectants for cleaning the linen. Care of blankets. Blankets are expensive articles and it will shrink while washing. Blanket should not be washed. It should not be washed. It should be dusted in open place, then dried in sunlight to disinfect. They should not be exposed to dust while storing. Blankets should be carefully protected from moth using naphthalene balls. We must carefully protect the blankets by using naphthalene balls. They should be covered with dust proof sheet. This is the care of blankets. Next one, care of mattresses and pillows. They should be prevented from becoming wet and stained. They should be brushed at regular intervals to prevent collection of dust. And these mattresses and pillows should be covered with washable covers and disinfected by exposing them to sunlight. Sunlight is the best disinfectant to disinfect the linen. If needed to wash it under running cold water. Importance of maintaining linen in hospital. What is the importance? Maintaining linen in hospital, patient comforts and limit cross the infection from one person to another person. We can provide clean and tidy linen and bed to the patient, and prolonging the life of the items will be effectiveness will be increase, promotes cost. And next one, and this is the care of linen. In care of linen, what are all there undergoes? Care of linen, we see clean linen, contaminated linen and soil linen. And next one, how to remove the stains and autoclave, sterilization and disinfectants used for cleaning. Care of blankets and care of mattresses and pillows. These are all under care of linen. Next one, care of rubber goods. Rubber goods in common use are air cushion. Some of the examples for rubber goods are air cushion, Macintoshes, hot water bottles, ice caps, ice collars, rubber tubes, catheters, rectal tubes, gloves and rubber bed. The nurse should make all efforts to prolong the life of the rubber goods. They should be purchased only after nature and durability have been investigated. The list of rubber articles are Macintosh, rubber tubing. Under rubber tubing, drainage, rectal catheters, suction tube, enema tubes, gastric lavage, etc. Gloves, ambu bag, breast pump, hot water bottle, air pillow, ice caps, air cushion. These all are under rubber articles. This is ambu bag, gloves, air cushions, and rubber catheters, and these are under the rubber goods. How to care rubber Macintosh. Rubber Macintosh should be stored in dry, dark, and cool place. It should not be exposed to sunlight. They should be folded by rolling them to avoid breakage. To avoid the breakage, we should be folded by rolling method. Avoid using sharp particles like blades, pins, etc. as they can cut rubber easily. Avoid using kerosene, benzene oils and hot water for cleaning. You should be avoid hot water and benzene oils. Kerosene should be avoid for cleaning purpose. Rubber Macintosh, it should be stored in dry and dark, cool place. It should not be exposed to sunlight. How to cleaning and disinfecting. Spread it on a flat surface. Wet it with cold water. We should wet the Macintosh with cold water and put in a flat surface. Rub the upper surface with soap and water using a clean cloth. Turn the other side and repeat the same thing. Wash both surfaces under running water. If stains are present, it should be removed by appropriate method. For disinfection, Lysol, Dettol, it should be used in the ratio 1:40. Hang them horizontally in shade to dry. Roll it and store in dark cool place. It should not be clean with kerosene, benzene oils and hot water. Care of rubber tubes. How to care rubber tubes. Keep the rubber tubes upside down and run water through it. Make use of swab stick to remove any organic matter for ensuring patency of tube. Apply soap and water the surface to remove the dirt, grease or any other matter. Wash them again under running water. And to sterilize 5 minutes by putting in boiling water. And these cleaning rubber tubes should be stored in cupboard. Coil and should be stored in cupboard. Care of rubber gloves. Gloves should be disposable, reusable. If disposable, incinerated. Reusable, disinfected and reused. How to clean the gloves. If the gloves should be reusable, it should be disinfected and reused. How to cleaning. The wearer of gloves should wash them on their hands just before they are removed. Before they are removed, they must be wash the gloves. After removing from the hands, they are washed with soap and cold water, first on outside, then inward, and repeat on inside. Rinse well with water, both inside and outside. Rinse well with water. Hang them to dry. When the outside is dry, turn inside out and dry. After drying, they are powder inside and outside, then packed in pairs. If sterilization is needed, send it for autoclaving. Okay, this is the how to cleaning the gloves. If air cushion, care of air cushion, rubber beds, ice caps and hot water bottles. Remove the cloth cover of bottle caps, cushions and decontaminate the covers. Keep the bottle caps, cushions empty by removing water, ice and air before cleaning. Clean the outer surface with soap and water. Hang them upside down for drying. When the bags are completely dried, inflate them with air, water or ice. In case of hot water bottles, ice caps, etc., empty the contents immediately after use. How to care ambu bags. Clean the rubber part with a clean cloth. We must clean that rubber part with a clean cloth and disinfect it with methylated spirit swab. Sterilization. Autoclaving at 120 degrees centigrade temperature with minimum pressure 15 minutes. In case chemical sterilization, alcohol and Savlon. Thank you. And what are all we discussed today? Care of linen and care of rubber goods. In care of linen, there are three types: clean linen, contaminated linen, and soil linen. In rubber goods, under rubber goods, blouses, Macintosh, and rubber tubes, and how to clean, how to storage, and how to disinfect it. We must see once go through it. And in care of surgical sharp instruments and glass instruments, we see in further classes. Thank you.